So you can see right there how important this is. It's magnetic, I love that, so it's going to keep itself centered. Now I'm tapping into aluminum, thank goodness. This is a little bit more forgiving. It's almost like a game trying to keep it in the center. Here we go. Hey, it's John the Net Guy. I'm going to show you a brand new product from Tap99x. This is their tap guide. Now, if you've been tapping holes before, like I have, it's not an easy process. And these materials nowadays are getting super expensive. Tapping the perfect hole and tapping it straight is very, very hard to do. Well, these guys have come up with an ingenious little tool. Comes in a 2-pack here I'm going to show you. And this is the Tap99x. It says just once. And the idea here is that you can use this tap set accessory with any manufacturer's tap set, honestly, to give yourself a magnetic, perfect level here. Now, my material's not even level. I didn't even think about that, but it's gonna allow you to level your material and level your bolt hole as you're running it down. Now, I need to tap this. I've already got my tap set up. I'm gonna go ahead and use this awl, and I'm going to put a hole or mark in my material and try and drill this in one shot. I'm gonna grab a drill. Now, I was thinking about this. Not only can it be used on your taps, I wonder if they make one eventually for drills. Can you imagine that? Being able to center your drill. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at it, and right there is straight up and down. Okay, now I drilled that as carefully and as straight as I possibly could. So the neat thing about TapX is it works with any manufacturer's taps. I'm going to use this tap right here, and it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to take this holder, get it lined up. Now this is magnetic. That's another brilliant thing that they did. Let's test this out. What I think would be straight would be right about there. Let's see how close I was. I'm off. I'm off a little bit to the left, so I need to go to the right and up to my material. And now I can use the TapX to keep myself straight as I'm threading this for a 3/8. Beautiful. There we go. It's starting to hold and straighten out. I'm tapping into aluminum. Thank goodness. This is a little bit more forgiving. It's almost like a game trying to keep it in the center. Here we go. So if you struggle to try to keep your taps straight and up and down and get the perfect threads for your project, this is an indispensable tool. Whether you're doing this as a hobbyist or maybe you're selling the items, look at that. I've got that almost dead on level. You can also use it down on your material here to get your material level before you start. And I'm surprised as I'm starting to chase these initial threads, how much straight and level. This is helping me keep my pressure even and centered. I'm noticing that as I turn around 360 degrees, it's not losing center, which I love. I can get my handles to move a little bit because this tap set's pretty cheap and it's not allowing me to tighten around the handle as tight as I would like. This is my first time. You saw me take it out of the box. You saw how easy that was. My very first time tapping this hole with a TapX, and it has stayed completely dead center on the tap. So I know that the center of the tap is vertical. Now this comes in a 2-pack, so if you've got a lot of things to use, maybe you want to keep one in your toolbox just in case you lose the other, or you want to take this and put one on your drill. I'd love to see a Drill X eventually. I could definitely see something cool come out on your drill to help you out there. This hole is tapped, and it's tapped beautifully straight up and down because of the TapX. I'm glad to see how easy that was. I can verify my results. There it is. So you can't beat perfect. And we're going to go ahead and thread this bolt down and make sure it goes in nice and straight, and you're going to get to see that, how beautiful that is. Now this is some aluminum stock that I'm using, but the price of metal has gone up so much. Do yourself a favor. This is an affordable way to increase the success rate you have when you're tapping material, especially thinner gauge material where you have to get the fasteners straighter. Large material, your drill press is going to help you get the things straightened as much as you can before you start. But with thin material like this, where you're only going to get a few threads, make those threads count and get yourself a TapX. Look at that.